Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we'll do a continuation of the chapter which we were doing in the previous class. So the chapter was chapter number 5, topic the coastal plains and islands. Spotlight. In today's class we are going to cover the eastern coastal plains and Odisha, and this video wanna be part 4. So let's get started. Okay, for the reference, please take out your book, page number 46. The Eastern Coastal Plains. The Eastern Coastal Plains lies between the Bay of Bengal of Eastern Ghat. Okay, as you can see in the image. So Eastern Coastal Plain lies in the middle of Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. These plains extend from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. So these plains used to be elaborate to from where West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The width of these plains is about 120 kilometers. So its measurement, its measurement length is 120 kilometer. River running through the eastern coastal plains. So rivers used to run. The eastern coastal plains have numerous rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, which makes them fertile and well irrigates land, as you can see in the image. So those eastern coastal plains have many rivers. What are the rivers name? Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, which makes them fertile and well irrigates land. Well irrigates land means by putting the watering the land and making the land ready for the agriculture. Okay, the soil in the eastern coastal plains is alluvial and many mangroves forests grown in the region. So the soil of the eastern coastal plains in the alluvial is very alluvial, okay, and the many mangrove forests used to be grown in these regions. Now, divisions of the eastern coastal plains. So the eastern coastal plains can be divided into two parts. So what are the two parts? The area between the river Mahanadi and the river Krishna is called a northern Srikars. So the area has been divided into the rivers. What are the rivers? Mahanadi and river Krishna. The area which has been divided, it's called as northern Srikars. The region between the Kaveri and Krishna river is called a Coromandel Coast. So the region between the Kaveri and Krishna river is called an Coromandel Coast, and the area between the river Mahanadi and Krishna is called as northern Srikars. Okay. Now the state which are the part of the eastern coastal plains are Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and the Union Territories of Puducherry. So the state where is the part of the eastern coastal plains are Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. So the state which has been the part, are part of the eastern coastal plains are, what are the places name? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Union Territory of Puducherry. Now let's talk about the Odisha. Location. Odisha is located in the eastern part of India to the south of Jharkhand. Okay, so the Odisha is located in the eastern part of the India to the south of Jharkhand. As you can see in the map, which is the red mark, it is an Odisha. Okay. Now capital Bhumeshwar. So Bhumeshwar is the capital of Odisha. River which used to flow on the Odisha is Mahanadi, as you can see in the map. Now language. Odia is a main language which is spoken by the Odisha people. Now let's talk about the traditional dress. Okay, the traditional dress, the man wear dhoti kurta and the western clothes. Human wear sari and blouse, as you can see in the image. So man wear what? Dhoti and kurta and the western clothes. Okay, and the human wear sari and blouse. Dance. Odissi is the well-known dance form of the state, as you can see in the image. The Odissi dance is a dance form of this Odisha state. Okay, and the festival. So what are the festival used to celebrate by the Odisha people? Rath Yatra of Puri, as you can see in the image. Diwali, Eid and the Christmas are the main festival of Odisha people. So Rath Yatra of Puri, Diwali, Eid and the Christmas are the main festival of Odisha people. They used to celebrate those festivals, and it is the main festivals of the Odisha people. Now let's talk about the occupation. Agriculture, mining, business and corporate jobs are the main occupation of the people. So as you can see the image, the agriculture, the mining, business and the crops, corporate jobs are the main occupation of the people. So rice and jutes. Okay, so at the left hand side the rice, and this is the image which is in right hand side. It's a jute. Okay, rice and jutes are the main crops of Odisha people. Textile, silver's work, jewelry, steel, aluminium, mining, global crops, offices, power and the refineries are the major industries of the state. So the textiles of silver works used to be done over there, and jewelry, steel, aluminium, mining, global corporate offices can be found over there, and power and refineries and the major industries of the state used to be found over here. Now let's talk about the tourism. The Temple of Puri, Konark Sun Temple, Chilika Lake, Jagannath Temple and Simlipal National Park and the bird sanctuary of Chilika is well known tourist destination. So those are the important place. Okay, the important most important and beautiful place the people used to visit, most tourists used to visit over here. Okay, what are they? The Temple of Puri, okay, and Konark Sun Temple, as you can see in the image, and Chilika Lake, Jagannath Temple and Simlipal National Park and the bird sanctuary, okay, at Chilika, as well as those are the well-known tourist destination. Now let's talk about the important cities of Odisha. Puri, Cuttack and Sambalpur are important cities of Odisha. So Puri, Cuttack and Sambalpur are the most important cities of Odisha, and also Pradeep and Dhamra are the important port town, as you can see in the image. So Puri, Cuttack, Sambalpur are the important city of Odisha. Also this Pradeep and Dhamra are also the important ports of the towns. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for today's class. See you in the next video. And yes, the chapter needed to be continued. So the chapter is very vast. Okay, so I can't complete the chapter all together. So I'm dividing into the with the videos. Okay, so what you need to do that soon after the video you go through with the chapter, then only you may understand, because the videos are coming in the parts, so you may get puzzle because the chapter is very vast, so I can't complete it very soon because later on you will be get puzzle and you may not get understand also. So videos are coming in the, so I am making the video in the parts. Okay, so till then, stay home, stay safe, and also follow the precaution which I used to say always. Thank you and take care and bye bye.